Hey everyone, today we'll take it one step at a time and learn how to create a new account in StarTrader and register yourself. Let's start from the beginning. To begin, open Microsoft Edge or your preferred browser on your PC. Note that the steps I'll outline are identical whether you're using a PC or mobile phone. First, search for StarTrader and visit the official website of the broker. Once you're on the StarTrader website, feel free to scroll down and gather more information about this broker. Now I need to create my new account by clicking on the Open a Live Account option at the top of the screen, which will prompt me to fill out a form. First, I select my country, India, then my state, and enter my email address. Next, I click on Send Code and receive a verification code in my Gmail, which I then enter to complete the verification process. After entering the verification code, I need to create a strong password for my new account and then select three options. Individual, I am not a US resident, and agreeing to the StarTrader's privacy policy. I've selected the Create Account option and now I need to fill out the account opening form, which requires my personal details such as first name, last name, gender, and mobile number. To proceed, I need to select the next step and provide new account configuration details. This process is similar to opening a new trading account where I must choose a trading platform such as MT4 and MT5, and then select my account type and currency for trading purposes like a standard account, or ECN, or maybe other swap-free trading account. After that, I need to click on this next option to proceed. I need to complete my identity verification for KYC purposes, so I've been given a form for identification verification. I need to select my nationality, then the type of identification I have, such as an ID card, passport, driving license, or other. After that, I'll enter my identification number and upload the front and back sides of the identification. I'd like to inform you that the process will take approximately 10 minutes. After my trading account once completed, I will be eligible to start trading on my account. I've already completed all the necessary steps, including ID verification, which I've received confirmation for via email. Now I'm refreshing my account and as you can see, it's now active. The login credentials like MT5 ID and password will be sent to my email, which I'll use to access the MT5 app to connect my account there. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be uploading another one soon about how to deposit in StarTrader. You can also check out my previous videos on opening a live or demo account, and connecting your trading account with MT5 and MT4, and more. These videos are available in both languages, Hindi and English, on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more updates. I appreciate your support and look forward to improving my content. Thank you.